Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer a car title to a family member the easy way so that you avoid mistakes and extra DMV trips. So this is useful when you're gifting a car or passing it down because the title still has to be updated to the new owner's name. First, grab the two main documents, the vehicle title and your state's title application form. Even if it's a gift and no money is involved, the transfer process is basically the same. So some states may give tax breaks or lower fees for family gifts, but the paperwork still needs to be done. Next, get all the info that you'll need before filling anything out. You'll need the full legal name and address of the person receiving the car, plus your own name and driver's license number. So the DMV will also ask for the car's year, make, and model, VIN, mileage, and estimated value. If there's still a loan, include the lane holder details too. So some forms also ask when the car was bought and when it started being used in your current state, especially if it came from out of state. Then fill out the forms carefully and make sure both of you sign. Also check if your state requires a notary because some states won't accept the transfer without notarized signatures. So if it's optional, a simple bill of sale is a smart backup. Just write that it's a gift, add the date, both names, and the car details, then sign it. And finally, follow the form rules like using blue or black ink and not crossing things out. If you mess up, use a fresh form. So once everything is complete, bring it to the DMV and finish the transfer. So thank you so much for watching. That is it for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.